hopefully this is the last edition in the continuing saga of will this thing run a skip to, will this run a 24-inch bar? So it's 325 skip tooth. I got it from Forester. We'll give it a shot. We'll see how it cuts. I think it'll handle it. Yeah, I think that works all right. So there it is, skip tooth, 325 full chisel. I got it from the same people I got the bar from, Forester. I had to change the tip out because they don't come 325 as a 24. So it's a standard Husky small mount Oregon, and I swapped the tip for a 325 tip because it came with a 3/8 tip, and I have a video on how to do that. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically just that one rivet. So